Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today we're going to be creating a drawing from dimensions. 3D, actually a 3D part from a technical drawing with basic dimensions. So the first thing we want to do is open up Design Sparks Mechanical. We're going to say File, New Design. We're going to change to Plan View by clicking that eye icon. We're going to open up our reference drawing, which I have on the desktop. We'll drag this over so we can use both. Okay, first thing I want to do is grab the rectangle tool. I'm going to select Define Rectangle from Center. I'm going to click and drag. We're going to put in 3.5. Our top dimension is 2.885. Enter. Okay, we're going to drag that over a little bit. Now we're going to go select to click off. Now we're going to use our offset curve. We're going to come over to the right, 2.5. Okay, now we're going to use our offset tool again. We're going to come up, actually click, undo that. Make sure you're not selected on any lines that you don't want to offset. So go ahead and offset. Click that line there, drag up, 0.69. Go ahead and click that one on the top, drag down, 0.69. I'm going to click off, grab our offset tool. We're going to come up 0.938. So click there, 0.938. We'll come down from the top, 0.938. Go ahead and select to click off. I'm going to grab our line tool, put a line in there, an angled line in there, hit select to click off, grab the line tool again, go from there up to there, hit select to click off. We'll use our trim away tool, trim away the lines we don't need. Okay, that's that part of it. Now we're going to add our cutout, so we'll go ahead and do the offset. We're going to offset from the top there, 1.438, so punch in 1.438, click off. We're going to use the same tool, click on this, come over 0.500, click off. We're going to grab that circle tool. Going to put a circle in there. It's going to be, radius should be 0.313, so we'll need to double that. So that's going to be 0.626. So we'll put in 0.626. Select to click off. We're going to Control plus to zoom in. We're going to grab our line tool, put a line from there to there, and then put another line on the bottom from there to there. Then we'll go ahead and select. Going to grab our trim away tool, trim away the lines we don't need. Okay, actually undo. I want to move one of these lines out, this one here. So we'll go ahead and put the line in there for the smaller line. So we'll go use our offset. We'll click on there and we'll drag this out to 1.062, 1.062, enter. Okay, now we can go ahead and get rid of these lines. We don't need them. Grab our trim away, get rid of that one. Now we're going to go ahead and extrude this part. So we're going to go ahead and get our spin tool, rotate it slightly, grab the pull tool, click on all these elements here. We're going to pull it to 1 inch. So go ahead and put in 1.0, enter. Click to select, click off of it. Now we're going to go ahead and go pull. We're going to select these lines here to put the chamfer in. I'm getting all these lines by holding down the control key. Now we're going to go change this from rounded to chamfer. We're going to put in 0.06, hit enter, grab our select tool. We're going to spin this here. I'm going to go ahead and click this piece right here. We need to put another line right in the center. We'll go ahead and click and drag out. This line needs to be 0.375, so we'll put in 0.375, enter. Go ahead and click select, click on pull. I'm going to select that line. We need to pull that line down to 0.75, so we'll click and drag to 0.75. Then we're going to go select, click off. We're going to change the view to top view. Go ahead and get rid of that line there. Now we're going to go do our offset curve. We're going to click on this line here. I'm going to drag out to 1.062, 1.062, enter. Then we're going to go ahead and click with the line tool and put another line in there to the bottom. Click select. Now we're going to put a reference line in from here over, click the select, go ahead and grab that line. We're going to put a line in there of 0.225, 0.255, enter. We'll get the select tool. We'll go ahead and click these lines here, hit delete. Don't need those anymore. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and spin. We're going to go ahead and pull. Select that line there. That needs to go down to a depth of 0.562. So we'll type in minus 0.562 since we're going the other way. Okay, we'll get the select tool. And we'll go ahead and go to top view. And we'll come in here and maximize design spark. Okay, this is going to be our part. We'll go ahead and view by isometric. Okay, that's going to do it. That was our simple drawing from a technical part that had simple dimensions. That's going to end the tutorial. If you found anything useful out of this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And thank you for watching.